This is All India Radio Shillong, the Northeast News Bulletin, read by Cordelin Yangrai. A central team has arrived in Manipur yesterday to study the rising of COVID-19 positive cases and fatality rate. The central expert team is being led by additional DDG of Directorate General Health Services, Dr. L. Swaticharan, and 2 other members. The expert team held a meeting with officials of the State Health Department at Imphal and reviewed the pandemic situation. The team will also visit different districts to take stock of the situation. Meanwhile, 250 fresh COVID-19 positive cases were detected, increasing the total confirmed cases to 23,650. The state has recorded 238 deaths due to the pandemic. 356 recovered cases were also recorded, taking the total recovered cases to 20,374, besides 3,038 active cases. The Supreme Court yesterday asked Delhi, Maharashtra, Gujarat and Assam governments to file status reports on the current COVID-19 situation in the respective states and preparedness to deal with any surge of cases in the coming months. A bench headed by Justice Ashok Bhushan also pulled up the state governments over the worsening COVID-19 situation and asked all states to file status reports detailing the steps they have taken, steps to be taken and the help needed from the centre to combat the situation. Former Chief Minister of Assam Tarun Gogoi passed away in Guwahati yesterday. He was 86. Born in 1934, Mr. Gogoi had served from 2001 to 2016 as the longest Chief Minister of Assam. Prior to becoming the Chief Minister, Mr. Gogoi had served as Union Minister. A close member of the Gandhi family, Mr. Gogoi also served in various capacities in the Congress Party. Assam Health Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma said that the mortal remains of Mr. Gogoi will be kept at Sankardev Kalakshetra in Guwahati. Chief Minister Sarbananda Sonowal, his ministerial colleagues, various political leaders including Nagaland Chief Minister Nephew Rio, Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh and other leaders condoled the demise of the veteran Congress leader. Meghalaya registered 57 COVID-19 recoveries yesterday, taking the total recovered cases to 10,392, while the state recorded 58 new positive cases. Till date, Meghalaya has a total of 11,397 confirmed COVID-19 cases, which include 10,392 recovered cases, 895 active cases and 110 deaths. In Nagaland, 2 more COVID-19 deaths were reported yesterday, 1 each from Dimapur and Kifaya district. This is the first COVID death registered in Kifaya district. Meanwhile, another 75 fresh COVID-19 positive cases were reported, taking the total confirmed cases to 10,852. In addition, 38 patients have also recovered, adding the recovered tally to 9,241. Presently, there are 1,442 active cases. In Nagaland, the Kohima Smart City Development Limited has been declared the winner at the ET Government Global Smart Cities Forum 2020 under the category Best Digital Initiative of the Year Technology for Kohima City Wifi Phase-I project. Kohima Smart City Development Limited CEO Kovi Meyase said the Wi-Fi project, which was launched in November 2019, completed in a record time of just 4 months. The main objective is to provide internet access in public locations at a cheaper cost and instant access to data for emergency services with real-time updates and better coverage. Wi-Fi hotspots have been activated in 51 locations of Kohima along with 2 smart kiosks as part of the Kohima Wi-Fi Phase-I project. About 1,03,602 users have registered till date and the data usage is currently running in double-digit terabytes. And with that, we end the Northeast News Bulletin from All India Radio Shillong. Have a nice day.